What is motion? As we know that when a body changes its position with respect to some reference point, then we call this body to be in motion. We also know that motion and rest is relative, which I will discuss in my upcoming videos. In this video, I will talk about the types of motion. First of all, let me teach you the concept of translatory motion. Remember that whenever you see any body moving along a straight line or a curved path without any rotation, we call such type of motion as a translatory motion. Translatory motion means that body translates its every point throughout its motion. Or we can also say that each and every particle of the body move parallel to each other across its motion. Translatory motion is further divided into three types. The first type of translatory motion is rectilinear motion, and the second type of translatory motion is curvilinear motion, and the third type of translatory motion is random motion. When a body moves along a straight line, we already know that it is in translatory motion, but such type of translatory motion is also known as a rectilinear motion. Therefore, remember that linear motion or motion along a straight line is also known as a rectilinear motion. For example, the motion of a falling objects, the motion of a car on a road, and the motion of aeroplanes are all the rectilinear motions. Now, the second type of translatory motion is curvilinear motion. The word curvilinear actually gives us the idea of curved or curved path. Hence, the motion of a body along a curved path is called curvilinear motion. For example, the motion of a cricket ball in air and the motion of a football in air. These two objects move in a curved path. Hence, when a body moves in a curved path without any rotation, we call such type of motion as a curvilinear motion. The third type of translatory motion is random motion. Here the word random tells us something moving without having a proper direction. It means that the irregular motion of a body in any direction without rotation is called random motion. For example, the motion of a gas molecule. They move in any direction, they have no proper direction of movement, hence such irregular motion of a gas molecules are known as a random motion or irregular motion. Now let me teach you the second type of motion, which is rotatory motion. When each and every point or particle of the body moves around a fixed point or fixed axis is called rotatory motion. Simply remember that when a body moves on the boundary or circumference of a circle, it performs rotatory motions. For example, the motion of wheel is the rotatory motion. Here the fixed point is A. All the particles of the wheel rotates from the fixed point. Similarly, the motion of hands of a clock, motion of a fan, motion of earth, and motion of electron around the nucleus are all the types of rotatory motion. At last, let me teach you the concept of third type of motion, which is vibratory motion. The back and forth motion or the to and fro motion of a body over the same path about its mean position is called vibratory motion. For example, the motion of wires of sitar or violin. These wires move up and down. Once you pluck it upward or downward from its rest or mean position, as a result, these wires move up and down or to and fro. As a result, they perform vibratory motion. Other examples of vibratory motions are motion of a pendulum, motion of a body attached to a spring, motion of a swing. To sum up my lecture, we learned that there are three types of motion: translatory motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory motion. Motion along a straight or curved path is translatory motion. Motion along the circumference of a circle is called rotatory motion. Back and forth motion of a body is called vibratory motion. If you have learned something new in this lecture, like this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.